So dismantling things has always been a little bit of a hobby of mine. Ever since I was a little kid, if I could get my hands on a screwdriver, I'd take something apart. And I had a little projector here tonight that was one of the coolest things to take apart, so I had to share it. I've had these things around here for a while, but this one was really cool. Three different sides, and then all the little globe pieces. I almost burnt my eye out tonight doing this. That started out life as one of these guys right here. Picked it up, used it for a couple of years. Got two of them because they were coming out of the scrapyard, and it eventually died, and I didn't want to pay for the bulbs. So, but this thing is really cool. If you look through it, that one is one color, and then if you kind of look through that little corner there, ooh, look, oh, what's that? Oh, it's the other color. RGB or whatever, and then the reflectors will shine down through and then go here and then around here and then through here, and they have these little filters on there that but this is the meat of it right there. You know, just have these controller boards, which, yeah, they go in the high quality bin. With the low quality bin. Actually, I think I have this skipped. No, wrong bin.